Hi friends, just today I am going to discuss another analysis like it's a basic analysis, just you can see here, and this is called like a image analysis. So what's a image analysis? Suppose like a MAGE image analysis YSIS, and it's a new way just here. Like so it's an image analysis. So if we need to do some image, and here I will discuss like two libraries. These are the most important and the powerful libraries, like one of the CV2 and another is Pillow. So let's go. Before, just I am going to write here the PILLO Pillow in Python, and let's try to understand. So what is the Pillow? So Pillow is a Python library used for image processing. It is a form of a Python imaging library, and इसकी as a alias I am writing here PILA, and provide extensive capabilities for opening, manipulating, and saving a various image files formats such as like a PNG, JPG, GIF, TIFF, and BMP. So let's see what's a master. Whenever just we are Pillow enables the various image like a manipulation task, like a resize and cropping images, applying filter and effects, adjusting color, brightness, contrast, and sharpness, adding text and shapes, and rotating and transposing images, converting between different images formats, pixels level manipulations, like we are using a NumPy. So these are the way to we can use the one of the library. This is called a Pillow library. So let's see. Just if you see here, and just I am going to pip install Pillow, and this is the documentation. So this is documentations of the and Python imaging library like a 4, and we will see here it's a documentation. So if you need the documentations and the handbook, so we can easily use here. So these are the basic way we can use like a Pillow. Another is the CV2. So CV2. So let's see. So CV2. What's a CV2? So let's see. The CV2 is the main module in OpenCV that provides developers with an easy to use interface for working with image and video processing functions. So let's see is the CV2 like how do we here we are OpenCV here, and this is a way we can install in your systems, and the multiple way anywhere we can easily use your CV2 package. So let's see. Today I am going to start here the CV2, and so let's try here. So first I am going to write here first thing. I am going to write here it's import the some basic library, like the one of the library is called import NumPy as a NP. So I import import NUMPY as NP, and second is a library import CV2 import CV2, and these two library are the very basic. It's importing just it depends on the it's a connectivity. So I am using here Google Colab. Just I have if you don't know about like just I have already discussed, and this is the cloud platform. Another just we need images here. So let's see. Just I am writing here and img is the one variable, and this will be equal to it's a cv2. So I'm writing here cv2, and I want to read my image. So let's go, and it's a dot I am read. So I am read here, and I want to write means what's the image. So let's see, just I am going to write here and importing here our image. So where is my image here? So let's decrease my size. So let's go here, and I am going to here, and I am with the image picture here, and I am going to the import here. It's a one image, and it's a one more image, because I will try to merge of these two images. And another image, just I am going to write here, and just let's go again. I am going to here, and let's import like a football. So these two images has been imported at this platform here, and just first I am going to importing here, go here and copy path just in the previous way, just I have already discussed. So how do we import here? The first, and similarly it's a run it. So let's first image has been imported, and similarly let's try the image one, img1, and let's go and try to again, let's read cv2 dot I am read. It's a parenthesis, inside it's a quotations mark here, and just you can copy again path, and let's write here it's a included. It's a close it here. It's a good way. And this one go upward. So yeah, and then it's a run here. So these two images have been imported. I hope it's clear, but I want to see this type of the images. So let's see, all and each and every images is it's a rectangular, square and a circular format, but it has been written in the mathematical way, and this mathematical way is called a matrices. So matrix, just if you don't have any idea, you can write it's the rectangular shape, and a11, a12, a13. It's a, if you are writing like a 3 into 3, 3 rows and 3 columns, means 3 into 3 shape of the matrices. So similarly a21 to a22 to and a23 and a31, a32 and a33. This type of the shape is called like a matrix form. So let's see what type of the image here. So I am going to and click here, and I want to see what's the image. So I am going to write here img, and it should be starting. So beginning it's a 0th position. So let's run here. So it's a yeah. So let's see, it's a matrix like a 61, 68, 55. These are the matrix form. So it's a first row and second is this way has been written like the multiples of the, and it's a arrays multiple. Similarly, just let's see in the second image. So it's right here img1, and it's the same way. Just I am putting here it's a 0 position, so it will start from the 1 position. So let's see, the second image is here 2, 4, 8, another 255, 244, and so what do you so let's see what do you see here. So we can see, so it's these two images has been difference, and means there are multiple differences here in these two images. So we can, most of the time whenever we are analyzing a fake image, so this is the basic process. Let's see. So are you getting the two images are different? Yes, according to the matrices we can specify. So multiple statistical, like if you are analysis like a histogram analysis, it's a pie chart analysis. In if you go in the further like lab based analysis, and so the multiple analysis here. So if you are advanced, if you enter in the advanced level, then we will see here how the tensor work. So these are the different way. So let's see, but today I am discussing only the basic level. So how do we convert into the colors, and how do we concatenate these two images? So let's see. First we have gotten in the these two images. It's a differences, but if you want to see like a it's a you are not able to the visualize this image. So let's see. I am going to and importing here, just we are aware like a matplotlib. So import import matplotlib matplotlib as a pipe. Okay, so just matplotlib, and matplot according to the matplotlib we will see here my image. First image I want to see the previous first image. So what's the variable? It's a img. So first you write here plt. So plt dot, and I will write here image show. So I am read, and here you can write here I am show. I am read, right? So I am show here, and we will write here the image img here, img here. Okay, so let's go and it's run it. So let's see my previous image, just I have imported that time. So we will see here it's the image look like this way. And similarly let's try to see here the another image. It's the same way, plt dot imshow, and it's the second image, just I want to see here and look like this is the other image. We will see here it's a way. So I think it's a clear. So your concept has been clear, how do we see the image. But let's see here. I want to change the color of this image. So let's see, just if I want to see, and we want to write here like a plt and dot image show, and it's a like a just a img, and it's a cob dot cvt convert color cvt, and c you must be write the c capital letter, and image first image I am taking here, and it should be like a converting dot color bgr, means it's a blue, green and red. Most of the image conversions is the dependence on the image bgr to red, green and blue. So I am converting this way. First image has been converted, and then I want to see like this plt dot show, and dot like a it's a show s h show and parenthesis. So I want to see here this image here also. So let's see. So just image has been converted. It's a previous image look like this, and now we are looking here. It has been converted like the red, green and blue. Has been converted red, green and blue. So this is a, so I can see it's a very easiest way, and it's not the only this way. It's a multiple way we can here convert these colors. So if you write a different colors, so the multiple colors you can see like this way. So it's a easy, and similarly just if you want to see here it's a convert to the it's a second image as it is. So it's a possible, but let's see, just I want to like a I want to like a split this image. So let's see just how do we split, and what happens just if we are splitting this image, because if you are extracting these images, it will start from the 0 and it will end as a 255. So but in the Python it will start from the 0 and it will end with like a 256 because 256 is not included. So let's see, just I am going to write here the b as a one variable, it's a another red is a another variable, and it's a green is the third variable, and all three variables will be see here. We are splitting this image like a it's a image. First I am going to the split this image. So let's see what happened. It's a yeah, it has been splitted, and we will see here we are splitting here, and then I want to see what is the b variable. So let's see what happened. It's fully black and white colors of this image is the b variables. Similarly, just the second we are converting in the r. So let's go, and it says c like a r here, and then I can see here it's a r, it's a something is a slightly reddish here. So are you getting that these two are the different here? It's a these two are the different images. Let's see, it's a these two are the very different. But what happens if you are putting here the third variable? It's a g here. So let's g, and then we will see here it is also look like this g, it's a green. So it's a look here, only slightly differences here, slightly only. It's a blur something like this here, but it's a clear, it's a more clear, it's a more clear, right? So these three has been splitted in the images like this way. So this is a way we can split. But one more thing, if you want to like differences, like if you want to see the differences between these two images, so what see, I will be describe the other statistical method. This is called histogram method. So let's see, just histogram method I am using here. So plt, and it's a dot hist, hist, plt dot hist. Okay, and let's start go inside of this, and then it's a parenthesis. I will write here image img and dot reveal dot say reveal, and it's a parenthesis, and because it's a maximum size, it's a 256, so I need to write here it's a 256, and then comma, the list will start here like a 0 to 256 like this, and inside I am closing here, and then I want to see what's it like a plt dot show, plt dot show like this, and let's start, and we can see here the histogram look like the your previous image look like this. And what's the differences in the second image? So you can see here it's a first image look like this, it will start from the 0, and it's a 50 is the highest, 35, 100, oh my god, and this one is this way like it will go 200 and yeah 55. Similarly, let's see, and so this is a way we can describe your image, and we will see here it's a what is the differences. So it's a chart. Okay, you can write here image 1, and it's a these are the okay, it's right there, and let's see. So have you seen it's a differences between these two images? So it's clear way we can see the, and we can get a differences. Okay, so this is this will be the, it's a basic idea, and just we can easily convert one part to the another part. But if you want to save the some image like just we have created like a one of the image, it's the name of the like a BGR or something. Yeah, G. And just I am going to write here again, and like I want to the save some image, so you can write, I can write there cv2 dot, I am right, I am, and it's a w, yeah, it's a right variable, and then go and it's a right this here. This is the process we can, it's a, you can write a save. Finally, if you to save your new image by the saving of file systems, so at the end of the program add and I am right methods and the name of the new file that if you want to save, like which is can also like the another format and png also. So let's see, just so it's a, we have gotten here, yeah, it's a true, so it has been saved here. So this is a way we can save these images, and then after that we will see the image, we will do the some elementary operations of the image. But let's see, before, if you are going to the elementary operation like a mathematical operations like additions, subtractions and multiplications, divisions and others, so keep in your mind, don't forget that the two images must have the same dimensions to be added together. So images both means are the both should be like a same, it's a, so how do we check your, so let's see, just I we can check the shapes of these images. So first you can see your like the method I m g and dot shape s h a b shape methods. Okay, so one of the method is here, so let's see, it's the shape of this img, and another is the img1 img1 and dot, it's a shape. We can also write it together, don't worry. So let's see, but we can see it's a both image shapes, it's a differences, so it's a length, it's a breadth, and it's a, you can say here it's a pixel. Okay, so let's see, so both it's a differences, so we are not able to like we are not able to apply here like elementary operations, so we will get an error. So what should we do? First we will resize these images. So let's see, it's a process of the image like img it's a first image, and yeah, you can I can also write the image 3, and you can write here it's a image img, it's a fourth image, and should be equal to like there are two images, so we will write the cv2 resize, so cv2, and it's a resize like this, resize this image one image, first image, and this is the resize, it's the second image, and dimensions like this means 200 and 200. So this is the process we can resize this image, and let's see what happened. Yeah, now after that, after resizing this image, we are able to see again img3 img it's a 3 and the comma img4 img, it's a 4 and it's a dot shape here, it's a shape here. So img 3 and 4 we will see here, okay, it's a shape like this, yeah, it's like this, but let's see, it's a 200 into 203, so it's a good tool. Let's see the first step, and so 200 into 3, and similarly you can write the img dot shat shape, so 4. So this is the another shape. So let's see, both dimensions is equal. Okay, so both dimensions are equal here. So we will see here itself. So what we do, we want to like create a new image and just edit of the both of the image. So just let's see how do we apply here both these image like this. So what should we do here? Just I am going to create image img5, it's a new variable, and it will start cv2 and dot add here and parenthesis, and then I will write here img comma img1. It's these two images. So I am adding these two images, and then I want to see what's happened. So let's see, just im5 dot add ADD, and it says resize this image. So just I have gotten some problem like a open CV. This is the modular and error -209 size of the input argument do not match the operations is the neither array or others where the array have the same size argument. So what happened? It's a resize. I have done image 4 and 5. Okay, but I am trying to like a resize this image, so it's not possible because img and img image is a different shape. Look there, just we have already discussed. So it's a we are means we are getting a problem. So I am getting a problem. So let's what we should do. So let's go here and I should write here image 3, and here what should we write here? Image 4, because resize of these images. So let's see, and after resizing we will see it has been completed, and I want to see like a plt dot show show, and then let's see here. So plt dot image show, and like what's happening, plt dot show. So it's a good thing. Just if you are just I am going to write here plt and so possible to beginning. So image, I need to first convert here and then we can see here. So image so plt dot im so, if you write here, and then we will see here. Okay, just I am so here, and just what do we want? It's a plt dot show. So what do we want to show? It's a name of the image like a img and 5. So just I am so okay, what's the problem? sh4 so so and this one, yeah. So we can see here it's a your image is look like this way. So you have decreased this size and the both the image has been seen. So it's a football here and another is a pillars, you can see like this, but I want to convert this image also. So yeah, it's possible. So let's see a plt dot image. So plt, so let's see plt dot image. So yeah, image so like the, and cv2 dot convert color image 5 and it's like this. Then I want to see plt dot show here, and then just go here and plt dot show, it's right, and then it's run. So just I have just, if you want to convert like any others form, so it's possible to, we can convert these images the different way also. So we have created a new image and this new image like this, and this is the way we can edit of these two images. One of the most important thing, if you are like subtracting the something, so let's go here and I am using here subtractions. So image img, and it's right here 6 should be equal to cv2 subtracts, and it's like this. So if you write here the subtracts 3 and image 4, so what happened, and then we will see here like a plt dot image so like a image 6, and then I want to see, so what happened, let's see, just image and football has been removed from this image like this way. So it's a process, and one of the more means informative way, just what should we do, it's one of the most important, just if you have a like a see here, it's a football, and then I want to do same process, but it will be the different way, like it's a different way. I'm not running this cell, but I want to see here, it's a different way. I'm going to the right here image 4 first, and then image 3 is second, and its a name should be like a image 7, so it's a better to understand here. So it's a, should be right here, it's a image 7. So let's see, just it has been just what happened, it's a different, like a fully different, you can see here, it's a way has been changed. So the multiple way, and you can play like a, it's a how to extract these images and other things also. So here we are just adding and subtracting, and this is the basic methods, and it's a basic means functions we are using here, and we will see here. So one of the most important means other like array formations. So we will see here. So go here, and it's a, I am going to img, and it's a writer like a, and as a capital it should be equal to, and I want to like the edit the sum to image. Yeah, bitwise process is also, we can do this one. It's a image so here, and just if you want to see here, it's a after bitwise process. So let's see what happened, it's a 2 images. Similarly, just I want to the edit of the two image, it's a, we can add the like array formations. So go here, and just I am going to like go here, and it's a img It's a first image is the img here, and the second it's a img1 here, and I am going to the mathematical way, and let's see what happened just if you are writing this way. So it's a not a working, but it's a possible to the work here. Image 1 and image 2. It's a differences what, so we have seen already the differences of this size. So what should we take here? It's a 3 here, and it's a image 4. We have taken resize this image, and then it will work like this way because it's a resizing problem. So this is also the alternative way we can do this process. Next, just I want to write here like the, suppose we have both of these images. So image blending. So like a blending means we assert that addition or subtractions of the two images does not produce an intermediate image between the two, but instant changes the like a correlations towards, excuse me, like a white or black. So the correct operation is called like a blending. So that is, you can consider the operation of like superimposing the two images and one above the other, and making the one place above gradually more and more transparent. So by adjusting the transparency gradually, you get a mixture of two images, creating the new one, and that is the intermediate image. So let's see, just a previous we have already discussed here. So let's see, just if you write image img and should be equal to, so go here, img it's a 7, and it should be equal to next like a cv2 cv, and it's a 2 dot add add, but with it, add with it is like this way, add with it, and I am writing this way, and I want to say here it's a image one is the image 1 and it's a image 4, but its a size is not, yeah, it's a both the size. So let's see, so we will see here it's a more advanced and it's a clear way. So this is the process we can obtain like a blending image here. So it's a process of these images. So we will try the multiple effects, and I hope it will help for everyone. It's a very broad topics. It's not a easy means completing the same one class, and one of the most important we. So if you, I want to like here, I want to just enhance of the multiplications. Just I am going to apply here. It's a negative minus sign here. So what happened? Anything happen? Yes. Will be safe just here. And another, just I am going to like it's a multiply. So what happened? It's a multiplying of these two images, and then I want to say it's neat and clean. So it's a hidden image inside of the image, and in the future just yeah, if you have a specific knowledge, you try to how do we get the again in the previous versions. So it's a easy way to understand these things, and I hope we can understand and it will helpful for everyone. Thank you very much for today.